Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to share videos using Quick Share. If you are using Quick Share and now you want to share videos, so let's see how can you do this. You must have to scroll down control center in the control center in the both phones, and here just look for Quick Share just like that. You must have to keep a long press on it in both phones. From here you must have to select who can share with you or who can share with you. Just tap on it, then tap on everyone, and then tap on it, and then tap on everyone in bots, then tap on done. And after that you must have to open the video in the phone from which you want to share. As here no other video, so I'm going to share from this phone. Just open gallery or file manager. I'm going to open file manager from here, and then open the video, and here I'm going to share this one. Just keep a long press on it, then look for the share option, and here you just have to look for quick share. Just tap on it, and here just tap on turn on Bluetooth, and here it is looking for nearby devices, and here's the second phone. You must have to look for the phone names. Just tap on it, and here just tap on accept. So here you can see the video has been sharing. So that's how you can easily share videos using quick share in any phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.